Ahoy there, mateys! We are back once more for another episode of this playthrough of Monkey Island. Now, to spare you the misery of watching me blunder around fruitlessly, I did a little bit just before recording just to see what we have to do next. Tried everything once more actually, went back up to the crow's nest, but bugger all to do up there. Tried using the compass as well, I thought that might do something, but no, it doesn't do anything at all. But then I saw this. There's a bloody hatch there. Easily missed because I've been doing my pointer around here and it just goes to the mutinous crew. So there's a bloody hatch. So here we are. This is all I've found. I haven't done anything more up to this point. Okay, there's another hatch and a door. Right, so this could be quite an extensive place. Right, nothing's showing up on the old doodad. Ah, that looks like LeChuck with an axe embedded in his drawn head. So the last crew didn't care for him, it would seem. Wait a minute, something. Here we are, window. Okay. I think I'm going to get seasick. Oh dear. Should we open the window? Let's have a look if we can do that. It's shut tight, of course it is. Okay, which one should we go down? Let's have a sip of tea. I say we go down. Ooh. A few leaks going on here. A sped up version of the sound effect used in the kitchen, it would seem. Right, so off we got here. Let's be careful this time. Okay, we've got kegs. Old empty kegs. Oh. There's just some very fine wine in here. I'll grab it. Good idea. Good idea. Let's see if there's anything else. No? Okay, we'll close that then. Let's be tidy. Ooh, oh, it's a giant piece of rope. It's a giant piece of rope. Right, we'll pick that up. Lots of chests. Look at the swines. Oh, just rusty trunks. Just old rusty chests. I think these might be more empty kegs. Oh, gunpowder. Okay, so there's gunpowder on here. So, right, we've got a giant piece of rope and some fine wine. Nothing else appears to be... Just got some gunpowder. Have I missed anything? Trunks. No. Okay, let's go back up. Probably I've missed something. Anyway, let's go down here. Looks like the ship's galley. Cooking pot. Red hot fire. Okay, let's have a look what's up there. Cereal. That's where the bookmark came from, obviously. I loved this stuff when I was a kid. I liked the way it chewed up the roof of your mouth. Right, shall we get some? Cereal. Okay, say the same thing. Can we get more? No. One's enough. Anything else? Oh, that's just the ladder. Some cooking pots. Got a fucking great one. Nothing else here. So let's have a look at the old cooking pot. Looks like your run-of-the-mill ship's cooking pot. Let's have a look at the fire. Nice and hot. Okay. can we pick up the pot? No. Got fine wine, giant piece of rope, cereal. Shall we use the cereal with the cooking pot? I don't have a recipe. I wouldn't know where to begin making soup. Okay, maybe put some wine in there, maybe? I'll just try it, just in case. I don't think you would use fine wine in cooking. No, okay. So, right, we've got some more items now to play with. Okay. Nothing else of any use. So we've got that cabinet. I wonder if we can open it. Yeah, nothing really. Let's talk to them. Maybe it's opened up new possibilities. Has it? Fuck. Okay, well, maybe we can use something with the... what about use Jolly Roger with the rope? No. Okay, use giant piece of rope with the nozzle. No. Trying some quite random things. Obviously they're not working. Okay, let's go back. Have I missed anything? I tend to miss things quite regularly. So we've got a piece of rope. Can we open the cereal? Crunch, crunch, crunch. Great! A toy prize inside. Ah! What is the prize? A small key with a finely engraved monkey on it. Yes, it is a prize, Guybrush. Stop being a fucking idiot. Right, so hopefully we can use a small key on the cabinet. Yes. A chest. It looks like a very heavy metal chest. Can we open it? Man, that's heavy. Filled, no doubt, with gold and jewels. No doubt, indeed. Hey, look! A piece of paper. Another piece of paper. And some cinnamon sticks. Oh, lovely. Okay, right. We're getting quite a few things here. Piece of paper. Could be a recipe, maybe. Or a map. Yes, it is a recipe. Preheat pot to 450 degrees. Add the following ingredients. Cinnamon stick. Leaves of mint. We've got mint. Here we go. Human skull. Pressed. Squirt of squid ink. Oh, we've got ink. 2 pints of monkey blood. We don't have that. A live chicken. 3 ounces of brimstone. 1 or more of the following. Peroxidoxin. Pyridoxin. Hydrochloride. Zinc oxide. Yellow. 8. Mononitrate and BHA. Let bubble over low flame until thickened. Serves crew of 4. Right, we've got a damn recipe. It's funny that, yeah, I was just looking at the going on the old pot. It was saying about recipe a couple of times, so I thought it might be a recipe when we found it. But there we are. Wonder what it would do. Is there anything else in it? No. Okay. Can we pick it up? I'm just leaving there, I suppose. Is it really? We just carried it from there to there, but I suppose. Okay, fair enough. Right, so I'll tell you what. Let's try and make this recipe, because just thinking, we haven't got monkey blood, but we've got wine, so that is similar to... Right, so let's have another little look at that recipe. It's probably everything we've got. So we've got the cinnamon, got the mint, the mints. Human skull, we haven't got that. One squirt of ink, yeah. And we've got blood, so the wine. Live chicken, we've got the rubber chicken. Brimstone, not sure about. And all this stuff. Okay, well, we'll start dunking in things that we've got. So use... Okay, good. So we've done the wine. Maybe the cereal would be compressed skull. Well, we use the cinnamon sticks. I do. Cereal, okay, we could use that. It could be something. Yeah. Right, what else have we got? Ink. Yep. Just a drop. Pamphlet. Magnetic compass. Okay, we've got the breath mints. Good thing I've got a million of these. Right, yes, we've got the rubber chicken. About time I got rid of this worthless artifact. Well, it wasn't that worthless. Okay, so are we missing something now? So I'm going to have a little look at the old recipe. I just thought of something. I'll tell you in a sec. So we've done that, done the mint. Human skull pressed. I think that could be the Jolly Roger. Haha, because it's a skull and it's flat. We've done that, we've done that, we've done the chicken. Brimstone. See, brimstone could be the gunpowder, maybe. Anyway, let's try that. Use the Jolly Roger with the cooking pot. Yes. Okay. Brimstone. Anything similar to brimstone. Small key, piece of paper. Dusty book. Leaflet. Pamphlet. Could try the magnet, I suppose. No. Don't be silly. Okay, let's see if we can go down and get some gunpowder. Maybe we can now that we've got the recipe. Who knows? Can we open them? Yes, okay, there we are. Good. This isn't too bad. Hopefully this will be the last recipe, the last item. Yeah, so those chemicals are probably in the cereal, thinking about it. So use gunpowder on there. Is it going to blow us up? Oh, that's the same animation from the fortune teller. I think I'm getting dizzy. Oh shit. Overcome by fumes and stench, Guybrush quickly loses consciousness. Moments later, the voodoo spell kicks in, turning the ship to an unknown heading and off on its mysterious voyage. Ah, this is what happened before. Days pass. Right, that makes sense. So if you remember, we read the journal, and saying about making the soup, and then they just magically appeared there. Okay. Get up, old man. I feel awful. Okay, right, we should be there now. So have a look. It's full of crap. I hope I don't have to eat this. Full of crap indeed. Okay. Right, I think we must be there now then. Yes. Holy monkey bladders. It's Monkey Island. Splendid. Splendid. This part of the illustration was probably already there, was it? No, so it was cut off there. So it has been added. So what have we got here? We need a bloody gangplank, really. Walk to Monkey Island. There we go. It's too far to walk to, and besides, I can't swim. Right, we're going to have to go in the old cannon, I'd say. Got a giant piece of rope. Right, let's talk to them, and maybe they're slightly more agreeable now that they've eaten. Maybe they're not. Hey, look! We've made it to Monkey Island! Let us know when you've found the governor. We've got an extra chair she can use. Right, so they're just here for the ride. Giant piece of rope. I'm thinking maybe we blast ourselves over to the other side. How about that? How about that? Right, I've just had an idea, but it probably won't work. Giant piece of rope as a fuse. We need more gunpowder and then we get in there. Maybe. Okay, let's see if we can get some more gunpowder. Yes, down here. Pick up. I'll take some more. Right, okay, so we've got gunpowder again. Okay. I'm going to save it just in case. Okay, right. Let's use giant piece of rope with hot fire. May need this later. Okay. Right. So that's not going to work. Right. Use gunpowder in cannon nozzle. Okay, good. Use giant piece of rope with cannon. Yes, okay. Oh, we've got a fuse now. Well, that doesn't look that giant to me. Let's set fire to something, piece of paper, light the fuse, get in. Okay, let's try that. I wonder if you have to set fire to keep setting fire to pieces of paper. That would be good. No. Oh, okay. So we can't use that. So, okay, use. No, we've got a piece of rope. No. Okay. Bookmark. Use bookmark. No. Use. No, this isn't going to work because they all have use note. Okay, no. This is where we get our spark, no doubt, but what on earth do we light? Use t-shirt with fire? Oh! Okay, flaming mass, that worked. That's the bloody treasure we unearthed. Okay, use flaming mass with fuse. Shit. Well, that didn't work. Shit. We've still got a flaming mass and we can get more gunpowder. Okay. Well, that's annoying. Right, I'm going to reload it, so I'm going to go back. And we're magically back here. So, right, we know kind of what we're doing now. So, right, use T-shirt with the fire. Ideally, we need to get into that thing. So, right, use the giant piece of rope on the can. No. Use gunpowder in the nozzle. Okay. So we'd have to be very quick to get in there, wouldn't we? I'm going to save it again. Right, so let's think about this. We need to blast ourselves over there, so we need to get in there. I don't see any other way of... No, don't do that. So let's use the burning mass and quickly get into the... Get in there. Quick, 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 quick. Okay. Reload. Okay. So we need a helmet, I suppose. Maybe if I give the wine... No, it says no interactions involving them. We need a helmet of some kind. What about that? Okay. Yikes. Right, I'm stuck. So he won't get in because he hasn't got protection. What about if we keep eating the cereal? No, we can't do that. I was thinking we could have used the cereal packet as a helmet. Quite a tenuous link there. I don't see anything that we could use as a helmet. Am I missing something here? This is a very fine wine. Use the fine wine. Flaming mass, put it out? Why not? Right, I'm stuck. There's nothing more down there. Let's go back down here and see if we can... Oh dear. Should we get some more gunpowder just for the hell of it? Okay, we've got more gunpowder. Tell you what, let's use gunpowder with flaming mass. Of course not. Okay. dokie. I don't think I'm missing anything here. I mean, one of these would have served nicely as a helmet. Oh, there's a bloody pot there. Idiot. Okay. Right. Now we know what we're doing. Use pot. Oh, he's on it. Okay. Bloody. Crikey. Part 3. Under Monkey Island. Getting somewhere, chaps. Let's turn that down a little. Oh my goodness. My a-hole's on fire. Help me, monkey. Oh, he's off. Who's this chap? Hi, I'm Herman Toothrot. Toothrot. Don't bother to say hello. I've only been waiting 20 years to talk to somebody civilized. I don't mind. Fine. By the way, you might want to think about putting out that fire. Someone could be hurt. He's off as well. Okay, come on. So, yeah, Toothrot, that was the chap that, the journal, I think. So he must have got marooned here. Oh, there's a banana there. Right, okie dokie, let's save it. Okay, right, let's have a little look around here. Let's have a look at the tree. Why not? Those are some luscious looking bananas. Well, lucky for you, there's one there. It's yellow. It's a banana. Pick that swine up. Good. Right, we've got a banana. Walk to Towering Rock. Let's have a look at this. Notice of public meeting. There will be a meeting Wednesday evening to discuss the recent occupation of the sacred monkey head by the ghost pirate LeChuck and the subsequent impact on the environment and the tourist trade. All Monkey Island cannibals are encouraged to attend. Quite a civilized band of cannibals. They look like they're almost ready to fall off the tree. Okay. Does that mean we can go back to the old... That's strange. It says sea monkey. Okay, that's how they got here, but surely would have blown away by now. Okay, we can't get in it. We've got those out of reach. Let's push the tree. Eat the banana. No. Okay, right, so what have we got here then? Okay, so we can walk into the jungle where that's Toothrot chap and the monkey went, or we can go to this towering rock. Tempted to go straight for the old rock, but let's go into the jungle. Hell! Oh my goodness. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so this is the beach where we started, and there's a bloody monkey there. Let's try and get him. What's he up to? Okay. Use banana. Yeah, give banana to monkey. Skin and all. Okay, now what? Talk to monkey. Okay, we can't actually do anything with that monkey. That's interesting. Does that mean maybe he's our friend now? Is he going to follow us? Huh, cool. Yes, he's following us. Good. Oh, there's a crack. Let's go into the crack. This is cool. I've never seen this before. Sturdy stump. Oh, there's oars down there. Okay, could die here. We still got rope? No. No bananas here. Looks strong. Okay. Pick up strong branch. Oh, I can't really place where things are here. Strong branch. Okay. Strong branch. Sturdy stump. Where's the sturdy stump? There. I have no idea what to do here. Pull tree? No. Okay. Pull strong branch? No, okay. Okay. It's a pair of oars. Okay, right, so maybe rope we need, I would say. But we had some left over and it doesn't seem to be there, no? Maybe walk on. Let's see what else is here. So we've discovered a crack. Bloody monkey's pissed off again. Doesn't bode well, does it? Okay, this must be the rock, maybe? Another beach. Okay, let's get to the beach. He's running quicker now. Here we are. It's printed on letterhead to the ghost pirate LeChuck. We must ask you once again to curtail your nightly activities in the sacred monkey head something. Decent people are trying to sleep. Kindly keep the noise level down. The Monkey Island Cannibals. P.S. We saw you taking that woman with the scarf down there. Look at that fabulous ship out there. Did you come in that? You're braver than you look. Actually, it looks a lot like a ship I used to own. I got taken by a guy named Stan. What do you mean, braver than I look? Let's do that. Don't be a jerk. Oh. Okay. Can we go that way? No. Okay, so the purpose of this was just for that bloody note. It doesn't appear to be anything else here. Right, back to the jungle it is. shit all there. Another part of the map. River Fork. God, this is, oh my goodness. Dry riverbed. Shit. Faster than that, Guybrush, come on. Okay, let's... Crikey, look at him going now. Dry riverbed. Okay. Boy, it sure is hot here. This is quite pleasant. Walk to the sun. There's a dam. Footholds. My goodness, this is quite a big space. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm just going to use the rest of this go just to have a look around. I don't see anything special about it. Well, it's a dam, okay. Back to the jungle. You're gonna die. Do, 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 do. Oh, there's another little message there. I'll take this interesting rock too. Yeah, why not? To the Monkey Island cannibals. I don't mind you worshipping in front of the sacred monkey idol, which doubles as my home and secret base of operations. But could you please refrain from leaving messy sacrifices on my porch? Also, please do not enter the monkey head. G.P. LeChuck. Okay. So can we walk? We can walk to the sun. We go up there or we walk to the sun. Let's try that. Oh sure, walk to the sun. Yeah, okay, fair enough. Another message. To the Monkey Island cannibals. Please stop moving this. It is delicately balanced. Herman Toofrot. Primitive art. It's either an incisive representation of the futility of man, or it's a log and a couple of rocks. So, okay, I'm thinking there's a dry riverbed down there, there's a dam. This could change the course of the water for some strange reason, I don't know why, but we'll bear that in mind. Oh, we're on top of the rocks. Oh, it's him again. I never get tired of this view, even if I have been looking at it for 20 years now. Even if it is the only view on the island. Yes, it is a nice view. I don't care for it myself. I'm going to agree with him. I bet it pisses him off there. Are you some kind of a castaway? What do I look like, the caretaker? Listen to this guy. Am I some kind of a castaway? Heh! I thought this island was uninhabited. Who are you? Who are you talking to? Well, I already know who he is. But let's go for it. Me? My name's Toofrot, Herman Toofrot. I live here. Well, not right here. In the fort on the volcano. Were you stranded? Yeah, you think I stay here for my health? Hoo, boy! And he's off again. Good. Right, let's have a look at this bastard rock. It looks like someone put this here on purpose. Look at these pile of rocks. I don't see anything special about it. Well, there is something special, I'm sure. So, right, that's where we started down there. I'll tell you what, I'll save it and then I'll push the rock. Right, let's push the fucking rock off. There we go. Oh shit. Whoops. I'm not sure I was supposed to do that. Or maybe I was. Shit. So that set off that mechanism which flew that. Right, okay. I think we probably were supposed to do it, but I'll just put it here. Oh. Okay, right, I really don't know if I should have done that now. Just push one or more off just because it's quite satisfying. Nice. Okay, right, so I might have ruined things here, but I did save it, so... Yeah, so that falls down, hits that, that hits... Yeah, so it hits that, that flies up, goes back down, flings it off. Okay. Can I change the direction of this thing, perhaps? Yes, you can. Shit. I've already destroyed my ship. Okay, let's go back up and do it again. Pretty sure this isn't good. I can imagine they would let you ruin it just that easy because, you know, we don't really know what we're doing. Oh, I don't. Okay, push this off, see what happens now. Okay, well that time it went even further. Okay, I really don't know what to do now. Okay, let's go back. Oh shit! Oh no, you've really screwed up this time. Guess you'll have to start over. Hope you saved the game. Rubber tree. Okay, good. That was a little joke there. Didn't have to save it, luckily. Okay, right, so... How the hell do we get back off here? Don't seem to be able to get off. Ah. A? Can't get off now. Oh, there it is. Okay. Right, no idea what we did there, but we've destroyed our ship, so we may have to restart this at some point on the next one. I don't know, but let's carry on bimbling around. Yeah, I would be surprised if that's something that can't be rectified. It seems quite a big thing. Okay, right, so no, it's nothing to do with altering the course of the we got there. Let's peg it over here and see what's over here. Oh my god, this is bloody massive. I tell you what, I might have to leave it here because I think I'm already over my time. Well, I'll do a tiny bit more, why not? There's a message in it. Okay, it's a memo. To Herman Toofrot from Yammer, Hem and Haw, attorneys at law. Suit against cannibal tribe over malicious tossing of your oars into a chasm. I think we have a case here. We can probably soak them for emotional distress and possibly punitive damages as well. Sounds like legalese. I don't think I can translate the rest. Okay. It's a gross old bottle. I don't want it. You've got some other very odd things on your possession. Fair enough. Okay. Back to the jungle it is. It's bothering me slightly that it might have already ruined the game, but private property. Worshipping is permitted, but please do not enter the monkey head. PP Chuck. Right, so this. Oh my goodness. Yipes. Shish kebab. Shish kajo. Eep. Doesn't look very pleasant, does it? The artist carved his name on it. Made by Red Skull. Made by Sharptooth. That monkey head's some piece of work, eh? Nasty case of yellow waxy build-up, though. He's just a cantankerous old chap. It'd be a great tourist attraction if anybody could ever find the island. How did you get stranded here? You're the only one on this island. I'm Guybrush. I'm here to rescue someone. What happened to your pants? Well, yes, that is a good question. It's quite disturbing, actually. What pants? How did you get stranded here? Well, I sailed here with a friend of mine 20 years ago. We hoped to discover the secret of Monkey Island. But my friend met with a horrifying and tragic accident, which claimed his life. And I couldn't sail the ship back by myself. I trained a bunch of chimps to crew the ship and sail it back to Monkey Island. They were supposed to get help and come back for me. Something must have happened. How come you didn't just go with the chimps? Weeks on a boat full of monkeys? Oh joy. Well, good point, I suppose. You're the only one on the island? I'm the only civilized person on the island. There's a native tribe of hunter-gatherers. Well, headhunter-gatherers actually, but I don't talk to them. They are cannibals, but they're not dangerous unless you lend them something. Did you lend something to the cannibals? I lent my banana picker to them, and they never gave it back. As collateral, they gave me this enormous cotton swab. It opens the big monkey head idol they worship. Not like I ever need to go into the monkey head, but if they want it back, I've got to have my picker first. It's a matter of pride, you know? Hell. Why don't you just give me the key to the monkey head? No, I need it to get back to my banana picker. Right, okay. I'm here to rescue someone. Well, here I am. Glad you came to rescue me. Though you might have been a bit earlier. The fine on that overdue library book should be pretty big by now. Let's go. That's not exactly what I meant. I sailed here in pursuit of the governor of Melee Island, who's been kidnapped by a ghost. Oh, fine. Don't rescue me. I like it here. The rain on my head, the wind at my back, the bugs on my plate. Well, perhaps I could take you back too. But I've got to rescue the governor first. I think she's on that ghost ship underground. Oh, okay. I told you about them borrowing my banana picker and never returning it, right? Right, okay, so yes, we've got to get the banana picker. He. He's a strange chap, isn't he? Okay, so we're not going any further today. Why, that's the second biggest monkey head I've ever seen. Right, let's leave it here. I'm still worried that I've buggered the game up, but what I'll do is a separate save just in case. I can always go back and do it all up fucking again. Okay, let's leave it here. Thanks for watching, everyone, and yeah, I'll be back soon with the next part. Cheerio!